Hey everyone, it's Heather Nichols for Tailored Expressions. The cards I'm sharing today feature the cutest flip-flops, including striped ones that are so easy to create and don't require a lot of tiny die-cut pieces. To create this card, I'm using the Beach Bound die set, the Endless Summer stamp set that also has coordinating dies, the Wave Edgers die set, the Cork background stamp, and then for ink colors, I'm using Persimmon, Lime Zest, Snow Cone, Plum Punch, Royal Icing, Honey, Toffee, Latte, Oyster, and Nocturne VersaFine Clair. I'm using my Bitty blender brushes, Chocolate Truffle Liquid Watercolor, Dr. P.H. Martin's Bleed-Proof White ink, and a water brush for splatters, thin foam adhesive, and multi-medium matte. We're starting off by creating the flip-flops. I chose a fun summer color combination of cardstock to cut the flip-flops out of. There are 3 dies in the Beach Bound die set for the flip-flops, one for the toe pieces, one for the bases, and one for the stripes. To create the flip-flops with stripes, we're going to start off with the stripe die. I cut out the stripes from all of the different colors of cardstock. Next, I adhered the stripes down to colors of cardstock I wanted to pair them with. For my project, I paired kiwi with lime zest, popsicle with plum punch, papaya with persimmon, and cotton candy with snow cone. I used a liquid adhesive to adhere the stripes into place, my favorite being multimedia matte. When the adhesive is dry, use the flip-flop base die to cut out the flip-flops. You'll line up the die right inside the outline piece of the stripe die cut and send it through your die cut machine. Now you have perfectly striped flip-flops, and you didn't have to cut out and glue a bunch of tiny little die cut pieces. I added shading around the bases of my flip-flops with Bitty blender brushes. For each color pair, I chose the darker ink color to add the shading. For the blue flip-flops, I added shading with Snow Cone. For the purple flip-flops, I added shading with Plum Punch. For the green flip-flops, I added shading with Lime Zest. And for the orange flip-flops, I added shading with Persimmon. I cut out the toe pieces for the flip-flops from all of the cardstock colors, and I adhered them in place on the flip-flop bases using liquid adhesive. I also made solid colored flip-flops to match my striped flip-flops, and now I'm adding splatters with Chocolate Truffle Liquid Watercolor and Dr. P.H. Martin's Bleed-Proof White ink. I pick up the color I'm splattering with my water brush, and then I tap the brush over my fingers to add the splatters. I cut out seashells and sea stars for my project from sea salt, honey, and latte cardstock using dies from the Beach Bound set. I used my Bitty blender brushes to add shading to the edges of the die cut pieces. I used honey and latte on the same color cardstock, and I used oyster with the sea salt cardstock. For the sandy beach background on my cards, I actually used the Cork background stamp. I stamped the image with Toffee ink onto a piece of Toffee cardstock, and it's the perfect look for this beachy card. To bring a bit of the ocean to my card, I created a border using the Wave Edgers die set. I cut the wave edge from a strip of Royal Icing cardstock, and I cut the bubbly edge from a strip of Sugar Cube cardstock. I added a bit of shading to the edge of the wave piece with Royal Icing ink, and then layered the pieces together and added them to the left side of my background panel. Next, I added the flip-flops, alternating stripes and solids, and then adhering them in place with thin foam adhesive. Next, I added the seashells and sea stars tucked in around the flip-flops. I trimmed the seashells that went beyond the edge of the card, even with the background panel, and then I added the panels to card bases. Instead of adding sentiments to the fronts of the cards, I decided to add them on the inside. The Endless Summer stamp set has great summer sentiments, as well as 2 that are perfect for using on the flip-flop cards. I used my Mini Misty to stamp the sentiments inside the cards using Nocturne VersaFine Clair ink. Under each of the stamped sentiments in the cards, I added a pair of flip-flops and a sea star. Let's take a closer look at the completed cards. The fronts feature so many fun, colorful flip-flops, including those adorable striped flip-flops. The insides of the cards feature the flip-flop themed sentiments, along with another pair of flip-flops and a sea star. All of the supplies that I used to create these fun summer cards can be found on the Tailored Expressions website at tailoredexpressions.com. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our crafty videos.